Struggling to separate strong magnets without breaking them or hurting your fingers? Meet the ultimate magnet separator from Kylin Machines, the safest and fastest way to unstick your workflow. No matter the shape, round or square, small or big, this machine effortlessly separates them one by one from the group. No more chipped edges. It handles magnet thicknesses up to 50 millimeters and diameters from 3 to 20 millimeters. Need something different? We can fully customize it for you. Compact, durable, and weighing just 2.5 kilograms, it's the perfect addition to any production line or workshop. Upgrade your efficiency today. Contact us via WhatsApp, email, or visit our website to order. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more.